Gusto mo bang umabot ng 80, 90, o baka naman gusto mo pa ng 100 years old? Alam nyo ba, sa Okinawa, Japan, at sa Lourdes, France, meron silang tinatawag dito na miracle water? Kaya naman, ang buhay ng tao dito ay patagal ng patagal.
Yung kanilang water is called ionized water. Here in the Philippines, we don't have access to that. However, we have actually a device that gives you the same quality, even better quality than the ones in Lourdes, France, and in Okinawa, Japan.
Gaano kataas ang quality ng tubig na maiinom natin from that machine?
Most of the machines are created to filter, to make the water alkaline. But this one, it's to make the water transform into a hydrogen-rich water.
Anong klaseng device ito?
Ang tawag dito is our Kangen water machine.
Marami ako mabibili na ganyan ng itsura na device sa mall.
Correct.
Ano ang difference niyan?
This one, it's ISO certified as a medical device, and it is certified by the Japanese Ministry as a medical device as well. Mayroon ako reagent dito, pH tester.
pH tester.
Yeah, tignan nyo na lang.
Ala ka!
Not all water created equal.
Bakit ang tap water nasa neutral pa pataas? Pero ito, teka lang, bakit ito ganito to?
Yeah, kasi Kangen 9.5 siya.
Okay, mga boss ayan, kitang-kita ninyo ang Kangen water natin. Ayan,
Nandito siya.
nandito siya sa
9.5
ang pH level niya.
Yes.
So ano pang inaantay ninyo mga boss? Let's use Kangen. And God bless sa inyo lahat.